The Neareal Cat Water Fountain 3.2-liter model uses a sturdy stainless steel body and a clear side window, so you can quickly see when it is time to refill. Its large 3.2-liter capacity comfortably covers several days of drinking for most cats and small dogs, which is especially reassuring if you travel or work long hours. The fountain uses a multi-stage filter with carbon and a separate sponge layer to reduce odors while catching hair and food debris before they reach the bowl. A very quiet, low-voltage pump keeps the water circulating without the constant hum many plastic fountains produce, making it suitable for light sleepers and skittish pets. The gently flowing stream encourages pets who usually ignore still bowls to drink more often, which can support better kidney and urinary health over time. Smooth metal surfaces and parts that tolerate high-temperature cleaning make routine maintenance straightforward and help keep the drinking area hygienic.